In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I colored my hair at home using these products. From left to right, I have a Cream of Nature hair dye kit in the color Honey Blonde, steam cap, applicator brush, gloves, foil paper, tail comb, another application brush, mixing bowl, volume 40, basic white, and some more gloves. The products to the right, I will be using those to bleach my hair, and the products on the left, I will be using those to give my hair the color. Two to 3 days ago, I steamed my hair. I actually did a video on that. It is the previous video on my channel. You guys should really go and check it out. But yeah, I'm starting off with fresh hair, and I'm combing it through so I can start the bleaching process of my ends. Now I will be mixing the basic white with the volume 40 to get the mixture for the bleaching of my ends. I usually make my mixture not too thick and not too liquidy, as you will see me show you here. As you have noticed, I already placed my hair in a little ponytail or whatever. I did it that way because I think it is easier to focus the bleaching mixture to the ends. After applying the bleaching mixture, I am going to take a piece of aluminum foil and wrap around my end so it is easier to process. Ten minutes later, I removed the aluminum foil, and that was the result. So after washing the bleaching mixture from my hair, that is the end result. I am going to leave my hair to air dry, and when I get back, I'm going to be starting the coloring process. Here I have a Cream of Nature hair dye kit in the color Honey Blonde. It comes with cream color developer, permanent cream gel hair color, oil intensive conditioning treatment, some leave-in treatment, and some oil treatment. It also comes with a instruction sheet and some gloves. As stated in the instruction, I am mixing the cream color developer along with the permanent cream gel hair color. And that is the mixture that is going to be applied to my hair to change the color. If you haven't noticed, I part my hair into 4 sections so it would be easier for me to apply the dye mixture. What I also did was to put a little bit of the dye to the end. Then I start by sectioning off my hair very small and applying the dye from the roots downwards. By the way, I should have said this a long time ago, but I think you will really need a mask for this because let me tell you, I do not have very sensitive nose, but this thing it is very high in a chemical smell, so it will have your eyes watering and your nose itching. So please get a mask if you can. After fully coating my hair with the dye mixture, I placed a steam cap on and I left it there for 30 minutes. Back with the end result being that I washed my hair out with my shampoo, the conditioner that came in the kit, and the oil treatment from the kit as well. After washing my hair out, that is the color that I got. However, please bear in mind that is not the true hair color. It looks that way because I have poor lighting where I was recording. However, my next video is going to be me doing a hairstyle and going outside to reveal the true color to you guys. But for right now, I'm actually using the leave-in treatment that I got from the kit to rub all over my hair, and I'm actually going to part my hair into 4 sections, giving myself 4 plaits for my hair to stretch while it is air drying. Also, if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, and leave some positive feedbacks. You can click the links below in my description box to follow me on all my socials, or you can just search for me at AYAFARRR. So that is what my hair is looking like. Please remember to stay tuned for my next video, which I will be revealing the true hair color. Until next time, walk good, love you guys, peace.